Let us see how to insert a data into a table and how to select the data in the existing table in MySQL server. So let's quickly go there and enter the password. So now let's use example DB. So now let us see. I have a table. Let us see, show the tables. Okay, so I have a table EMP. Now let's insert the data into EMP. Insert into EMP values. I know the list of columns available. So the employee ID is 2. The name is John. Okay, only 2 columns are there. Enter. That's it. One row inserted. Now let us see what is the data available in the EMP table. I mean, how to select the data in the existing tables. Select star from. I am planning to select every column which is there in the table. So this is why I'm keeping a star. If you want a specific column, you can put it the column names instead of star. But in the real time, star is not suggestible to use, but in the practice you can use it. Now let's type the select command and enter it. You can see here how many records are there. You can see 2 columns are there and 2 records I have. So I can insert another record as well if you want. Let me go for it. That is 3. 3 and I'll make it as a different name. Okay. Enter. Now let us see the show thing. Yeah. See the 3 tables, 3 records were there in the employee table. You can see how much time it took to retrieve the data from a MySQL server as well. That's it.